should say that my vocation to become a Salesian of Don Bosco was unique, because I had never heard about the Salesians till I came to India. It was while watching a slide show about the missions of Marbisu by Father Attar, God rest his soul, who had come for holidays, and he was going from parish to parish, speaking about the mission, trying to get funds for the mission. But then, when I was watching this, I just felt the desire to go and work for those people. And I insisted, I told my father told this priest, and he enthusiastically at once, yes, sure, very well, come. And to make the story short, within a few months, it was in October, by March, I had left my country and on my way to India, where I arrived in Bombay on the 6th of April 1953. From then we had taken to, we were two of us, we were taken to the aspirantate in Sonada, where I began to learn about the Salesians and so on. And I was taken up, and slowly I went ahead, I became a Salesian, and I'm still a Salesian. I'm very happy to be that too. When I came, I was still a boy of 14 years. I was not yet working, but I was in a technical school, I was learning a trade, and my specialization was carpentry and cabinet making, where I spent about 15 years teaching carpentry when I came here to Shillong. After that, I switched, I was very much interested in electricity, and I switched over to electricity. And even I have been sent to Europe for a course in that line, and I worked and taught on electricity for about 10 years. After that, I had been entrusted with several other activities in the house. I was in charge of the boarding for about 8 years, and boarding at school together. Then after that I was also appointed as administrator of the institution, and that I spent about 18 years in that line. After that I was put in charge of the bookbinding section, where I am still there up to now, still working in the bookbinding, looking after the bookbinding. I came to India in 1953. In 1955, I came to Shillong. And for the past 68 years I am in India, out of which 63 years are spent in Shillong, 57 of which in Don Bosco Technical School here. The Catholic community in Shillong has grown very much from that time, and also the number of people and also their faith became more, they become stronger and more. I am very happy to be a Salesian, first of all. And I have been now a Salesian for the past 60, 70 years almost. And I have always been attracted by his way of, especially his caring for the youth. The mission entrusted to us for the welfare of the youth. I feel is very much respected as such, as Salesian brother, and also loved by those with whom I come into contact. I never had any problem so far, and as I told you in the beginning, I'm very happy to be here, a Salesian brother. I think the message of Don Bosco himself is very much valid still nowadays. Have a great love and devotion to Jesus and the Blessed Sacrament, and to Mary, Help of Christians, Our Lady. And you will always be happy, and you will experience miracles in your life.